to Joao, maraming salamat. Kay Kuya Robbie, kay Ate Mikey, maraming salamat. I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat sa paghabol. To Alexa, na nag-concert din kagabi. Si Alexa, ayun, maraming salamat for still attending. Alam ko pagod ka, but you're here. Maraming salamat also to Ate Denise Laurel. Maraming salamat, Ate Den. And Chong D, who's also here. Maraming salamat. And we also have AC Bonifacio, Angela Ken, maraming salamat. Jella Atayde, and Bel Mariano, maraming salamat. Thank you also po kay Miss Jamie Rivera. Maraming salamat, Miss Jamie. Bailey May, Tita Sylvia Sanchez, and to the Atayde family, maraming salamat. Chabi, what's up? Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying